Hi! In front of me is OPPO A1 and today I would like to show you how you can add passwords to Google autofill. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access the Google section. Now tap on your Google account and click on the preferable one. In my case, this one. When you're ready, tap on Autofill, then Autofill with Google and Passwords. To add your password, click on this plus next to Search Passwords, and at the top, input your site or select an app by tapping on Select App section below it. Now click on Desired App and enter all of those informations, like username or email and password. Then take some notes if you wish to, and save your password by hitting save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added to Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!